Hi again, welcome back to Jessica's 2-Car Garage. It's 103 degrees here, so this will be a quick after work update because I can't even wear my glasses without them fogging up. But even though it's only 103 degrees here, we're sitting just above 180. Probably about 192 degrees, probably where that actually opens. Sorry, headphone users. But after putting an entire tube of that stuff in case you need to know what I'm looking at, find it in the muffler repair section, so you're actually going to find it with the exhaust stuff. Over here you can see all the goo. It actually appears to be sealing, so that's nice. That's power steering fluid, but otherwise it is not leaking any of its coolant. So, step in the right direction. Means I can probably put my tools away now because I left. So, shadows are nasty. Yeah, that's all. Only other things I did was try to replace some of the little plugs for the carpet mat that's above, which really sucked to do because that's fiberglass, being an 84. But yeah, it's otherwise sealing up. Seems to be holding its coolant. You can actually see there's still some in the tank, which is nice. So with that, I'm gonna wrap it up because I want to go in the air conditioning. Take care, guys. See ya.